In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an email marketing campaign using Wix. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge you need to effectively reach your audience with tailored email messages. So let's get started. First things first, we'll need to open up your Wix dashboard. Make sure you're using Google Chrome for the best experience, as it tends to provide the most seamless interaction with Wix's features. Once you're logged in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. There you'll find a menu. Navigate your way down to the section labeled Marketing and SEO. As you hover or click on that option, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select Email Marketing. This is where the magic happens, as Wix provides a range of tools to help you design and manage your email campaigns effectively. Now that you're in the email marketing section, you'll be faced with an array of templates. Wix offers many templates tailored to different needs, from newsletters to promotional announcements. You can choose one that fits your brand's style, or if you're feeling particularly creative, you might opt to build a campaign from scratch. This is a great chance to showcase your brand's personality, ensuring your email marketing remains consistent and recognizable to your audience. Once you've selected a template or decided to go the custom route, it's time to add your recipients. Import your contact list or manually add email addresses, ensuring you're compliant with email marketing laws, such as obtaining the proper permissions from your audience. After your recipients are added, it's time to dive into customizing your email content. Spend time crafting a compelling message that speaks to your audience. Leverage engaging subject lines, body copy, images, and even consider using personalization features to make your emails even more relevant to each recipient. With your content polished and ready, the next step is to set your sending schedule and any automation rules. Sending schedules are crucial for maximizing the impact of your emails. Think about when your audience is most likely to engage. Is it during their morning coffee routine, or perhaps in the early evening? Plan your send time accordingly. Additionally, employ automation rules, such as sending follow-up emails to those who didn't open the initial email, or sending a different message to those who did. This can greatly enhance your engagement and conversion metrics. Finally, before hitting that send button, take a moment for a thorough review of your campaign. Check for spelling or grammatical errors, ensure all links are correctly placed, and preview your email to see how it looks on different devices. Once satisfied, you're ready to send your email campaign out into the world. And there you have it. You've just walked through the process of creating and sending an email campaign on Wix. This powerful tool can keep your audience engaged and informed about all your latest offerings and important updates. With a bit of practice, you'll get even more comfortable with these steps and start seeing great results from your efforts. Thanks for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck with your email marketing.